Rust's the modern system programming language that promised safety, concurrency, and speed. Born out of Mozilla's research in 2010, Rust aims to empower developers to create reliable and efficient systems. With its slogan, Fearless Concurrency, Rust offers a solution to the age-old problems of memory error and data races without sacrificing performance. Its unique ownership system and borrow checker have turned heads into the programming world, making Rust the most loved language in Stack Overflow's developer journey for several years in a row. Rust is statically typed and compiled, ensuring many errors are caught at compile time rather than runtime. This leads to robust code that's ready to face the challenges of the real world. Variables in Rust are immutable by default, promoting safer code practices. To change a variable's value, you explicitly declare it as mute. Rust's match expression, akin to switch in other languages, allows for intricate pattern matching, making code more readable and precise. Functions are defined using the fn keyword. Rust also supports closures, which captures the environment, allowing for functional programming pattern. Rust's powerful macro system allows for metaprogramming, enabling developers to write code that writes other codes, leading to dry, don't repeat yourself principles. The language offers zero-cost abstractions, meaning you can abstract your code without incurring runtime penalties. This is a testament to Rust's promise of efficiency. Rust's package manager and build tool Cargo streamlines the process of managing dependencies, building projects, and even publishing packages to the crates.io repository. The language's model system and use declarations provide control over the visibility and organization of code, making large projects maintainable. Rust's ownership system ensures memory safety without a garbage collector. The system, baked by the rule for borrowing and references, ensures no two parts of the code can change a piece of data simultaneously. Lifetime in Rust denote how long references to data should be valid, eliminating dangling references. Rust promotes concurrency by ensuring data races are caught during compile time. Concepts like the mutex or channels help developers build concurrent applications without the usual headaches. The language is also well suited for WebAssembly, bringing its guarantee of safety and concurrency to the web ecosystem. In essence, Rust represents a paradigm shift in system programming, ensuring safety and speed coexist harmoniously. Its growing community and rich ecosystem signals a bright future for this language. If this deep dive into Rust resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like button, share your Rust adventures in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to ILTP-WC for more programming insights. Thanks for accompanying me on this journey. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.